Hello, everyone. I will be demonstrating how to download a raw score by standard report from Performance Matters. So, the first thing you will do is log into PowerSchool for Teachers. In the upper right corner, you should see your application's icon. It is the very first icon with the square and an arrow in the corner. When you select that icon, for the applications, you should see listed as one of the application options Performance Matters. Select Performance Matters, and once Performance Matters load, you will see a couple options on the left hand side: test, intervention, and reports. We will be running a report. So if you select the reports option, under the reports option, you should see My Reports as one of the options for a report. Select My Report, and in the My Reports section, you will see a few different types of reports that you can select or download. The report that you want to select is a raw score by standard report. Once you select raw score by standard, you will see two filter options. You can select your classes one by one based on the grade level that you teach. For example, I currently teach a pre-calculus class, and in that pre-calculus class, there are 11th grade students. So my 11th grade students take the SAT because they are in 11th grade. Now, you can select by scrolling through the list, but that may take some time, or you can simply type into the search bar and your class that you are looking for should populate because this is the entire school's list of courses or classes. Now, if you have multiple classes that you teach and they all take the same Horizon test, for example, if you're teaching Algebra 1, you'll select PSAT 9, and you may teach more than one Algebra 1 class. You are able to select more than one course. So once you identify all of your classes, and they should be in order by hour that you do teach them, you can select all of the Algebra 1 classes that you teach. Now, once you have identified the classes that you want to include in the report, you'll select the matching test. Again, all of the beginning of the year tests are listed. Depending on the grade level that you teach, you want to be mindful of the tests that they did receive at the beginning of the year. So you'll see PSAT 9 beginning of the year math, PSAT 10 beginning of the year math, as well as SAT beginning of the year math. So this group of students are pre-calculus and they are 11th grade students. So I'm going to select Horizon Education SAT beginning of year math. You'll select Generate Report. Once you generate the report, it will populate at the bottom. It'll inform you when it is ready. So when you're able to download and the document is ready, you will see the change. It will no longer say ready. The icons will appear for you to download. So you can either click this button on the left-hand side with the down arrow to download to your device, or you can select the name of the report you just generated. Once you select it, it will go to your downloads and you can select the download Excel sheet. Now, there are three sheets in this Excel document. The first one will be points earned by standard. The second sheet should say filter by SAT standards. And the third one should say student results. The sheet that you will focus on today is the sheet that says filter by standard. Now, currently, In this table, the first column will be your student names. Second column is the points earned. And the third column will be the sum of the points possible. Now, the filter that is selected is demonstrating what the points earned and points possible are for all of the standards that were tested at the beginning of the year for Horizon. If you want to select a specific skill, you can select the skill that you would like to look at closely, select OK, and now you will see your student names along with the points earned and who earned a point and the points possible for this specific skill.